90% of backcountry hunters are packing 5 extra pounds of dead weight into the mountains every single season and leaving elk on the ridge because their legs gave out before their rifle ever came off the sling. Carbon fiber changed that equation permanently. These are not range queens dressed up in a fancy wrap. These are working rifles, built from aerospace-grade composites, titanium receivers, and match-grade barrels that weigh less than your spotting scope setup, but will still drop a bullet 400 yards clean. 7 rifles, 1 winner, and the #1 rifle on this list will make you question every dollar you ever spent on a traditional mountain gun. Let's get into it. Starting off at number 7, the Christensen Arms Ridgeline FFT, moving on to the rifle that basically put carbon fiber on the map for the average hunter. Christensen has been wrapping barrels for a long time, and the FFT takes that weight reduction to the absolute limit. FFT stands for Flash Forge Technology. They use this manufacturing process on the stock, the floor plate, and the bolt knob to shave off every possible ounce. This rig can drop below 5.5 pounds depending on whether you run it in 6.5 Creedmoor or 300 PRC. When you are climbing out of a canyon with a heavy pack, that missing weight feels like a gift. Let's talk about why that matters in the field. The carbon fiber wrapped barrel does more than just lighten the load. By tensioning the aerospace carbon over a match-grade steel liner, it dampens barrel harmonics and pulls heat away faster than a solid steel sporter contour. That means when you take a shot and need an immediate follow-up on a moving buck, the barrel stays rigid and your point of impact does not shift as the steel heats up. But let's be real, it is not flawless. Here is the mechanical deal breaker. These barrels are notoriously finicky right out of the box. You have to follow a strict break-in procedure, which means you will likely burn through 2 or 3 boxes of premium ammunition just sweeping copper and finding the grain weight it actually likes. At $3 to $5 a trigger pull, that hurts before you ever hit the timber. Once it finally settles in, the trigger breaks cleanly, like a dry pine twig snapping under a heavy boot. Because the rifle is so incredibly light, the recoil impulse is a fast, violent pop that requires you to drive the gun hard into your shoulder pocket, or you will lose your sight picture. When it goes off, it delivers a sharp, ringing crack that tears through the freezing morning air. Now we are getting into serious hunting territory. Tell me in the comments if you trust a short 20-inch barrel on an elk hunt, or if you still need that 24-inch tube to feel confident. Number 6, the Springfield Armory Model 2020 Boundary. This is Springfield taking their proven 2020 action out of the tactical chassis and dropping it into a traditional hunting profile. You get a classic carbon fiber stock that looks right at home in deer camp. But underneath, it is running a BSF carbon fiber wrapped barrel to keep the weight down. Let's talk about the radial muzzle brake on the end of that barrel. It is not just there to look aggressive. When you are pushing heavy, high ballistic coefficient bullets out of a pack-in rifle this light, a properly timed brake strips the expanding gases sideways and backward. That physically pulls the rifle forward to cancel out the rearward energy. That keeps your scope on target so you can watch your own impact and know instantly if you need a follow-up shot on a tough animal. The trigger brake is a clean, glass rod snap that surprises you every single time. Behind the gun, the recoil impulse is a slow, rolling push into the shoulder instead of a sharp jab. When it arcs, it is a deep, chest-thumping boom that rolls across the canyon and tells everyone else on the mountain you you just filled a tag. But here is the ergonomic deal breaker. The comb height on this stock is cut for traditional low-mounted glass. If you plan on running a modern scope with a 56mm objective and a bulky dial, your eye alignment is going to be floating way too high off the stock. You will need to strap on an aftermarket cheek pad just to get a proper weld, and that ruins the sleek handling of a premium rifle. Stepping up to rifles that handle multiple game species. Number 5. The Browning X-Bolt. 2-speed carbon fiber. Browning took their legendary workhorse and gave it a serious modern overhaul. The updated X-Bolt 2 action delivers a fast 60-degree bolt throw that clears big scopes easily and runs fast when the pressure is on. Wrap that barrel in carbon fiber, coat the steel in smoked bronze Cerakote, and you have a rig ready to shrug off heavy snow and sideways rain. Honestly, this Browning is rugged enough to survive 10 seasons of hard use in the backcountry. But wait until you see the absolute masterclass of a rifle sitting at number 1. It is the kind of rig that would make a sheep hunter consider refinancing his truck. Let's talk about the recoil pad geometry on the Veritech stock. This is not just a thick chunk of rubber glued to the back of the gun. The internal directional deflection physically pulls the comb down and away from your face under recoil. When you touch off a heavy Magnum cartridge, that geometry saves your cheekbone from a brutal beating and lets you stay planted firmly on the stock so you can cycle the bolt without losing your sight picture on a running bull. The new trigger system breaks delightfully crisp, just like stepping through morning ice. Behind the scope, the recoil is a sharp, linear shove that drives straight back without violent muzzle hop. When it fires, it produces a flat, percussive slap that echoes through the dark timber. But here is the financial deal breaker. The proprietary rotary magazine is made of plastic and feels surprisingly cheap for a rifle playing in this premium tier. If you drop it on a jagged rock at 10 below zero, it is liable to crack, and buying a spare from the factory will drain your wallet fast. Now we are entering the serious backcountry class. Number 4. The Savage 110 Ultralite Elite version 2. Savage took their factory blueprinted action and dropped it straight into a folding MDT carbon fiber chassis. Bolting a premium-proof research carbon-wrapped barrel onto this skeletonized magnesium frame gives you a folding mountain rifle that tips the scales at just under 6 pounds. Carrying this collapsed in your pack feels like cheating on a long alpine ascent. Let's talk about the adjustable cheek piece on that carbon fiber buttstock. This is not just about making the rifle fit comfortably when you are shooting off a bench. When you are scrambling to build a field position on a nasty 45-degree slope, having a comb height that aligns your eye instantly with the optic means you do not waste 2 seconds hunting for the reticle. You drop your cheek. The crosshairs are locked on the vital zone, and you can make the wind call before the animal steps into the timber. The trigger breaks with a crisp, metallic snap like a frozen branch giving way under pressure. Behind the gun, the recoil is a quick, rigid punch that sends vibrations straight through the magnesium frame into your shoulder. When it goes off, it sends an aggressive, tearing crack echoing through the high alpine basin. But let's be real, here's the durability deal breaker. That skeletonized carbon fiber buttstock saves a massive amount of weight, but it is hollow and relatively brittle compared to a traditional solid fiberglass stock. If you take a hard fall climbing over deadfall and the rifle takes a direct hit against a sharp rock, that thin carbon shell can crack. It is absolutely strong enough for shooting, but it will not survive a major tumble down a scree slope without taking permanent damage. Entering the elite field tier. Number 3. The Weatherby Mark V Backcountry 2.0 Ti Carbon. Weatherby built their reputation on flat-shooting magnums, and this rifle is a masterclass in shedding weight while keeping that massive power. Built around the 300 Weatherby Magnum cartridge, this rig manages to stay under 6 pounds empty. They machine the receiver out of raw titanium, and made it to a carbon fiber tension barrel to keep the ounces off your back on a 10-day mountain hunt. Let's talk about the trigger over travel on this custom trigger tech system. This is not just about a light pull weight. Over travel is the physical distance the trigger shoe continues to travel rearward after the rifle actually fires. When you are resting on a wobbly pack and taking a shot at 400 yards, stopping that finger movement instantly means you do not torque the rifle off the vital zone before the bullet clears the muzzle. Behind the trigger, it breaks exactly like snapping a brittle icicle in half. The recoil impulse is a massive, sudden jolt that lets you know you just touched off a serious Magnum cartridge. When it barks, it delivers a rolling thunderclap that absolutely deafens the entire draw. But here is the ergonomic deal breaker. The bolt lift on that legendary 54-degree Mark V action is incredibly stiff because it has to cock a massive striker spring over a very short rotation. If your hands are numb from the sleet and you need a fast follow-up shot on a wounded elk, fighting that heavy bolt lift can completely rip you out of your field position. You are looking at dropping around 3,500 on this setup before you even look at scope rings. One step from the top. Number 2. The Seekins Precision Havak SLAM. Seekins built this specifically to be the ultimate lightweight hunting rig. SLAM stands for Super Light Action Mountain. They took their proven Havak action, shaved off every unnecessary ounce of steel, and mated it to a proprietary carbon fiber stock and a wrapped barrel. This entire package sits comfortably under 6 pounds. Let's talk about the pillar bedding inside that aerospace-grade stock. This is not just about keeping the action snug for factory test targets. When you torque the action screws down over rigid aluminum pillars, the metal-to-metal contact guarantees the receiver will not crush the carbon fiber stock under heavy recoil. That means your point of impact stays exactly the same whether you are hunting in 100-degree heat in the desert or 0-degree freezing rain in the Rockies. Your barrel stays free-floated and your bullet goes exactly where the crosshairs are resting. Behind the gun, the trigger breaks cleanly like a thin sheet of plate glass shattering under a hammer. The recoil impulse is a fast, aggressive snap that pushes straight back into your shoulder pocket. When it goes off, it sends a sharp, whip-like crack that cuts right through the howling wind above the tree line. But here is the mechanical deal breaker. The flush-fit carbon fiber magazine only holds 3 rounds, and the internal spring tension is incredibly tight right out of the box. If you short-stroke that spiraled bolt under pressure when a massive mule deer is on the move, it is notoriously easy to induce a nasty feed jam. Clearing a stuck cartridge with frozen fingers while your animal disappears over the ridge is a hard lesson to learn on a rifle that sets you back over $3,000. The mountain does not hand out participation trophies. We have looked at rigs that shed weight, rifles that tame heavy recoil, and setups that handle miserable weather. But when you are spending real money on a once-in-a-lifetime backcountry tag, good enough is not going to cut it. Number 1. The Proof Research Glacier TI. This is the undisputed king of the ultralight hunting mountain. Proof Research essentially perfected the carbon-wrapped barrel. When they mated it to a custom titanium receiver, they created a sub-6-pound masterpiece. Let us talk about comparative dominance. It balances significantly better in the hand on a steep climb than the Springfield Armory boundary. It absolutely shoots tighter, more consistent groups at 500 yards than the Christensen Arms Ridgeline without suffering from that nasty heat shift. Look closely at the push feed action at the heart of this titanium receiver. This is not just about a smooth bolt throw. The push feed bolt face completely surrounds the base of the cartridge in a solid ring of steel before it ever enters the chamber. When you are running high-pressure hunting loads in sub-zero temperatures, that fully supported case head means a blown primer will not send gas straight back into your eye. You stay safe, and the rifle stays in the fight. Behind the gun, the trigger breaks cleanly, like a dry matchstick snapping in a quiet room. The recoil impulse is a firm, perfectly managed press straight into your shoulder pocket. When it fires, it delivers a piercing, flat crack that completely silences the alpine basin. Look, dropping this kind of money on a carbon fiber hunting rifle is a serious commitment, but when you are 5 miles deep into the backcountry and that bull elk finally steps out of the timber, you do not want to be second-guessing your gear. Every single rifle on this list has the potential to be a lifetime companion in the field if you do your part and put in the time behind the trigger. Find the one that fits your hunting style, get your glass dialed in, and go fill that freezer. Buy once, hunt forever. That's the only math that matters.